This week, you should be reading the introduction, the first chapter, and the second chapter of Crafting the Personal Essay by Dinty W. Because this is one of the first weeks in our Writing for Creative Nonfiction course in which you are assigned chapters in your textbook. I should explicitly point out that this short video is meant not as a substitute for, but a supplement to your required reading. With that in mind, I want us to think about the 3 P's that Moore talks about in the opening chapters of Crafting the Personal Essay: the private, the personal, and the public. Let's think about these significant terms first as they relate to one of our earlier readings on Keeping a Notebook by Joan Didion. Her notebook is private, intended only for the writer, but her essay about her notebook is personal, intended for the public, for her readers. Or for those of you who have ever kept not a notebook, but a diary, we can think about it this way. An entry in your diary is private, it's for you. An essay is personal, it's of you, it's shaped by your particular point of view. That is, it's your specific sensibility that informs your attempts to take experiences and make meanings out of them, as well as connections between them. But a personal essay is not only for you as the writer, but also for your readers. Because of that, when you're writing creative nonfiction, you need to pick topics that are not only worth your time to write about, but also worth their time to read about. Your private experiences will not always have the same impact on our public readers as they have on you. This is particularly true if, on the surface, the topic you're writing about is a common experience that your readers have also had. Unless, that is, you can guide them to understanding a deeper truth about it. Remember that the English word essay comes from the French word essai, which translates to an attempt. To paraphrase Moore, a personal essay is your artful attempt to understand something new and significant about your topic, and to communicate that fresh perspective on it to your readers. As an example of what we're thinking about here, let's carefully consider another exceptional personal essay by Joan Didion. In The Santa Ana, Didion describes an experience that's common for those of us who live in Southern California. The dry winds that blow from our inland areas to our coastal communities, often fanning flames. However, she attempts to communicate a deeper understanding of what those Santa Ana winds mean to us in Southern California, of what they tell us about a significant truth of our lives here on the edge of the United States. For our writing exercise this week, you'll make a similar attempt to communicate a deeper understanding, a significant truth about what you would imagine is a common experience among your classmates. When you're writing creative nonfiction, always remember that an essay is an attempt. One of the reasons to write a personal essay is that attempting, that trying to understand a deeper, more significant truth. You will likely not know that truth when you sit down to write. You will likely discover it through the writing. That is your essay.